Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another After Dark Clean with me. You guys always seem to love these videos, so I'm back again with another one because my house is completely trashed after the weekend. We had such a nice weekend. We had kids' parties, a day out. It's like I didn't do any chores over the weekend, but it's really showing now and I want to get the house straightened out before it is a brand new week. So we're going to do a bit of a family speed clean. We're going to clean up all of the downstairs, and then I'm also going to tackle my wardrobe once the kids are in bed as well. I think it's really good to get the kids involved, and actually once you start the timer, you get going, the kids really enjoy it. Like you'll probably see in a minute, they really get into like vacuuming and wiping down the surfaces as well. So anyway, I hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do, and if you're new to my channel, I would love you to subscribe. I post loads of cleaning content and I would absolutely love to have you as a viewer. But with all that said, let me start out with a little bit of a before tour. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with today. There's quite a few dishes to be put away and to be washed as well. There's a random plate on the floor where I gave Kiki some of my chicken from my chicken wrap. There's coloring all over the table. The kids were getting really creative this weekend. And there's just like day-to-day bits everywhere, quite a bit of build up on this bar area. And a major part of the house that I want to tackle is the playroom. What I love is that the kids have not really been on the screen this weekend, but obviously this is kind of what happens when you don't let them have screens, which is obviously what you want. Like this is only going to take, you know, not long at all to tidy away. So I'm trying to get Caleb to actually clean up all of his art supplies and pens. He has so many pens. He's also got his loom bands out as well. Fraser's getting involved, and then we're going to wipe down the table and sort of clear up this area. This is like the hub of the house. This is where we eat all of our meals. The kids love to draw on here, do homework. Like they all have desks in their rooms, but we all kind of gravitate to this central part of the home, which is actually really nice. Jackson helping me out here, just spraying a little bit of product onto the table, and then I'm going to wipe it all down. And while we're finishing off this area, they're going to start out on the playroom. We're really lucky in this room that we have a ton of storage. So I've tried to like put the camera on a wide lens to sort of show you like how everything just quickly gets put away. So we had the arts and crafts out. We had some homework out, some coloring out, like some glitter, like all kinds of different things. But everything should fit into all of the cupboards. So the boys are literally just putting it away. And then we're going to wipe down the tennis table in here just because it's getting a little bit dusty, and then we're also going to wipe down the sideboard as well in here. So the boys did a lot of this room themselves, and then I don't know if you can see, Jackson was vacuuming under the dining room table. There were so many crumbs under it. There was also some dried peas and just general mess, so he was giving that a good vacuum. And Matt is going to start on the kitchen area, and then I think Caleb's going to help out on the island as well. But anyway, so this is the mess that was under the table. I suddenly looked under there and I was like, oh my gosh, like has any food gone into our mouths this weekend? So it just really like needed a good vacuum. So Jackson loves it when we take out the long part and then we just make it nice and small, so it's like the perfect size for him. So he was doing a great job under the table with that vacuum, and then I think Fraser started vacuuming as well at some point. But anyway, I'll play some music and we will carry on cleaning this area.
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, 'cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh.
I love that kids nowadays just understand transitions. Caleb just put that one in on his own, and I was trying to show him how to wipe down the kitchen island in like an S motion and to kind of really scrub it when you see something on the side because he was just kind of really going around the edges. And then Matt pushed him into the middle to reach it. I've actually seen quite a few people on Instagram and YouTube using a mop to reach their like island, like to clean it. I haven't done that because I can just about reach it, but let me know if you guys ever have. But that is a lot cleaner, and the playroom is looking so much better. They've done a great job of getting everything put away. Caleb wiped down the surfaces, even color coded his pens as well. And another transition, there you go. I'm also going to wipe down the fridge door. You can't really see it in this clip, but there were so many fingerprints on the door, like even like some yogurt fingerprints. So I'm just going to wipe that all down. And then same with the rest of the surfaces in here. I just felt like really dusty, a little bit mucky, like in need of a really good clean today. And then I'm also going to take some time to really scrub our sink as well, because that has loads of food. It's just looking quite messy in there as well. And then when I was in this area, I also noticed that the cake stand really needed a good wash, and that also the rug in this part of the kitchen was really dirty. I've said it before, but I love these ruggable rugs because you can literally just peel it up, stick it into the washing machine and just wash it. So I'm going to do that because it is really quite dirty. Jackson came in just then to show me. He and I love watching Good Boy Ollie on Instagram. If you haven't seen it before, you might not get it, but it's this dog that has like an activity jar and he does different activities. So he was showing me how he gets it out with his mouth. But yeah, anyway, as I said, I'm going to peel this up off of like the Velcro surface and stick that into the washing machine, which is in our pantry. And then I can kind of hang it out and it'll be nice and clean for tomorrow. Then I'm going to move the draining rack. And then, as I said, just give this sink a really good scrub. I mentioned in our home video, I think I did a video about our best investments in our home and our biggest regrets. And one of our regrets was getting a black sink, like, what is that called? Plug, because a lot of the black is actually coming off. So we might swap it out for a stainless steel one because obviously it's not ideal. We've only had it for 1 year. So I think we are going to end up changing that. So if you ever do get a new sink, get a cooker tap or whatever, don't get black because it's kind of coming up. But anyway, now I'm quickly going to vacuum around this area. I'm going to vacuum the base of the rug because it gets bits on it as well underneath, and then they actually come up and then the rug sticks that bit better. And I'm just going to do a general like quick vacuum, get any bits that the boys might have missed.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down.
I love that song so much. It's such a nice one. But while we were cleaning the couch area up, we were taking out all of our aggression on the pillows. We were just punching them into shape. Caleb was really helping today. He said to me he really loves organizing. He organized all of his loom bands into color coded, and he said it gave him like a really good feeling. Like, I guess that's satisfaction for you. And then the last thing that I'm going to do tonight, by this point, all of the kids are in bed. I sort of waited for them to go to bed for me to then come up and reorganize all of my drawers. They've been driving me crazy. I suppose every 6 months I need to do this. It just gets a little bit out of control, and then I have a good look through everything, cull everything, put all the leggings back together, all of the t-shirts back together, etc, etc. So that's pretty much what I did, but I filmed it on time lapse because it was just so long. It took me a good hour to do that, but I listened to my book in my AirPods, and then I took the rug out of the washing machine. I'm just going to dry it there this evening. But now this is how the house is looking, so much cleaner, somewhere where I can actually relax and watch TV with Matt tonight now. And I just know when I come down tomorrow morning, it's Monday morning, and it's going to feel a lot nicer. I also wanted to show you our lighting in the garden. We recently got these solar big bowl lights, and they're brilliant. They just get the sun in the day and then they do this at night. So I think we're going to get a couple more of these because we really like them. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.